Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back or to my channel. If this is your first time here, I thank you so much for joining me. Please do consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so that you are notified when I upload a video. If you are returning, hey Sugar Muffin, thank you so much for coming back. Alright y'all, so I'm switching it up a little bit. So here we are with yet another brown sugar box unboxing. Now this time, Izzy and Liv, who are the creators and founders of this wonderful box, they decided to send me a box for the month of June based on my review or unboxing that I did in May. So thank you, Izzy and Liv. I truly appreciate that. I'm truly grateful. Now let me go ahead and give some facts of what you can expect in a brown sugar box. At least one Izzy and Liv tee or tank, and I usually get a t-shirt every time. 4 to 5 additional Izzy and Liv exclusive items, which I always appreciate. Bonus items from other Black women business owners. Marvelous. I'm such a supporter. I am here to support us Black women in business, I promise you. And y'all, some of y'all already know, my friends out there that have your own Black business, yeah, I'm usually out here trying to support y'all, so I'm a true supporter. I need to get my own business, huh? I'm always supporting other people's business. That got me thinking, I need to start my own business. I need to get off my tush, right? Somebody slap me. I might slap you back, though, so be careful. A retail value of a minimum of $85 for each box. And all of the products are full-size products, so I'm excited. Let's go ahead and dive into the box for the month of June. I know we're in July, so if I could give one tip to Izzy and Liv, they don't send out their boxes until the 15th of the month, which I usually receive it at the very end of the month, like within the last week. So it doesn't allow me any time to plan and coordinate doing a video for it. So by the time I actually record it and get it out, it is the following month. If they could get these boxes out within the first 5-10 days with expedited shipping, because even though they ship them out on the 15th of the month, I still don't get it to the end of the month. So that would be my only feedback, to see if we can get them out a little sooner so that I can actually do the unboxing within that month. So other than that, they're fab. They're fantastic. All right, so just like with every box, they always include a cute little t-shirt or tank top. Here's the cute t-shirts. Let me see. Okay, yes, honey. Love that. And it's so nice and bright and orange. Look, it's vibing with me today. This is cute. Y'all know y'all gonna see this. You're gonna see this shirt in another video. Super cute. Alright, so what I always like to pull out when I'm doing these unboxings, and I usually like to do that first, but I didn't, is their super cute little magazine. It's like their little mini jet magazine to me. So this is the Brown Sugar Mag. I'm just gonna read off some of the little cute topics they have in this particular month for June. 4 funky themes for your summer barbecue. Picnic and chill edition. Plus 5 places to have an outdoor lunch. Very nice. And 4 virtual game night ideas. Ooh, that should be nice, especially with all this virtual happy hour, virtual get-togethers, virtual everything is going on right now, so I'm interested in that one. Oh, also 4 houseplants to help improve your well-being. So, all positivity. Positivity. I'm just going to skim through real quick and see if it's anything worthy of showing you. Super cute, though. I'm just skimming through all the little brown sugar box beauties, and I see myself. That's so cute and funny. I was like, oh, is that me? Look at that. I'm in the magazine. That's so cute. I'm excited about that. Thank Thank you, Izzy and Liv, for including me in your magazine. This is awesome. Congratulations to last month's winner. Ebony was randomly selected from everyone who shared their May box on social media to win her next box free. Thank y'all. Y'all are so sweet. I love that. I was like, oh my God, that's me. I'm looking at all the other ladies like, oh, everybody's sporting their Loving My Brown Skin shirt. Like, I love this page. I love to see everybody sporting the t-shirt of the month. Super cute. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Izzy and Liv. I am like, what? I'm in the little magazine. Let's carry on and see what else we got in this box. It's not about me. It's not about me. It's about y'all. I'm giving y'all all the goods. Alright, so we got a portable mini speaker. Portable mini speaker. Cute. This can definitely be used in the bathroom while I'm in the shower. Put it on my counter. Got a USB port here. And some other ports. A mini USB port. I don't know what this port is. So super cute. A mini little speaker. Very cute. I love this rose gold color. I think it's rose gold, right? That's rose gold. Super cute. Alright, so next we have a collapsible silicone container. Ooh, here she is. And that's what I just read. I'm going to go ahead and break on up in here. Oh, look at that. I don't think I've ever seen that. Oh, how cute. Look at that. And they have little cute sayings. Who made the potato salad? Hello. That's very important. I just came for the food. Don't you hear this at every barbecue? Every single black person barbecue, you hear this. These two phrases. Now let's uncollapse them. This is so cute, y'all. I don't think I've ever had anything like this. Look at that. So these are kind of bowls you take and you put in your purse. My cousin Cheryl, she would be a pro with these because she always bring a Tupperware to our events. Taking food home. Yep, I called you out, cousin Cheryl. I love you though. I love her. But look at that. This would be so cute. If you are one of those people that like to take food to go. You just collapse this little joint. This fits so nice in somebody's little purse. 2 of them. Put them both in there. So cute. Now, I'm not that chick. I ain't gonna go to nobody's house and be bringing bowls to take food home. Y'all know. Most of y'all know. I live with a chef. I don't need to bring nobody else food home. I get good home-cooked meals regularly. So I don't need to bring nobody else food home. So, for those who like to take food, these are cute. Alright, let's see what else we got. So I probably should have been reading this stuff from the magazine to tell you how much it costs and everything. The t-shirt is Blooming Queen t-shirt and it retails at $25. So for the pack it up food containers that I just showed you, those are $15 each. And it looks like it may come in some other colors. So I have blue with blue lid, red with red lid, but on here it has like blue with green lid and blue with red lid. So there might be some color options. Alright, on to the next. Next we have a mask. Due to this COVID-19 that we have all been experiencing, it is almost a it's pretty much a requirement to wear a mask everywhere. Oh, this is so cute. Everywhere you go. Isn't this cute? Oh, I love the little design. And it covers both the nose and the mouth very well. Because this is the new norm. The very new norm. I hate the new norm, but this is it. This is it. So cute. Look, you just get all your makeup in there. So, child, don't wear no makeup when you go out. Alright, so the masks are $7.99, and there are 8 different patterns or colors, or however you want to call them. 8 different options. Super cute though. Alright. Oh, I am laughing at this next item because if only I had waited like another week or two. I literally just bought this for my husband off Amazon. I probably should have just waited. And it is this super cute, well, this one is an Izzy and Liv hands-free portable neck fan. Isn't this the cutest? So I saw my bandmate Jessica. Hey Jessica, if you watch it. So we got together for a little mini rehearsal, and she goes through her little hot flashes or whatever. I'm not there yet, thank God. And she had this little fan around her neck, and I was like, good girl, that is so cute. So I'm married to a chef who's always in the kitchen, and he's no small fry. Like, when he is in that kitchen, he keeps a towel over his shoulder because he is always sweating because he gets hot in that hot kitchen. So I was like, I am going to get that for my husband. And I got it for him. And look, lo and behold, now I got one for me. Even though I don't really have hot flashes, I walk around here in a sweatshirt because my husband keeps the air on Antarctica up in here. So I'm really not hot in the house. However, if I go out to, like, you know, I got my own fan, y'all. I can keep myself cold. So I'm excited. I got my own now. Let me show y'all what this looks like. And he loves it. Like, it really works. I see him just sitting around with this little fan around his neck. Keep himself cool. So I know it works. So it does come with a little USB cord. And you gotta charge it, of course. But isn't this the cutest? It say, cool it now. That's not the song, but, oh, is it? Cool it now. Yeah, that is a song. I was like, am I saying the right lyrics? That is a song. Cool it now. Ooh, watch out. Alright. I digress. Bring it back, Ebony. Bring it back. So just for your awareness, that Cool It Now neck fan is $20, and they have 4 color options here. Cute. So this month's retail value is $118. Nice. So there was some goods in here. There was some cutie goods in here. I feel like I like last month's better. Like, when I tell y'all them smell goods were something else. Whew. They were incredible. If you missed last month's, I'll link it down below. Make sure you check that out. You might want some of them smell goods because they were the bomb. Oh my gosh. It was no smell goods in this one. I had nothing to smell this time. And that's okay. You know, they got to change it up. You're not going to get the same thing every month. I get it. Oh, so one last thing that was outside of the box that I'm going to share that came. So this is a picnic and chill insulated cooler bag. And this retails at $30. So let's see what this is about. Cute peach color. Okay. Let's mess with one thing at a time. One thing at a time. Oh, this looks like the lid. Guess I can't do too much with this. This is the lid with the little reflector. This is removable if you need to get in there and clean it. Alright, so let's get with the actual cooler part. Yes. Oh, I see. So, yeah, makes more sense. See that? This is cute. I would take this. All right, girlfriends. With my girlfriends, we supposed to have our little picnic. Where our little picnic at now? I'm bringing this to the picnic. And so it's only going to have adult beverages in it. Only adult beverages only. For this cooler. Maybe some water. You got to stay hydrated. Got to stay hydrated. So water and adult beverages is only going in here. Let me know when the girls' picnic is, y'all. So that goes at the bottom to hold everything for the picnic. The picnic basket. The picnic. And look at this cute little top. And it says culture, confidence, and soul. That is their tagline. Culture, confidence, and soul. Look at this with a strap. Oh, this is so coming with me. Oh, yes. Ladies, let me know. I got such a good group of girlfriends. I love them. I just love them. Love y'all. We're in the picnic, though. We're in the picnic. So I bring all the adult beverages. And water. And water. Okay. And water. We'll be hydrated. Super cute. Alright, y'all. So that was everything in the brown sugar box for the month of June. So as usual, I will leave all of the brown sugar box information down in the description box below. Thank you again to Izzy and Liv for sending me this box. Yay, I appreciate you. And for putting me in the magazine. I was like, ah! Thank you. I'm so grateful. I really am. I thank you, thank you, thank you. Like, this is the box to have for me. Like, I told y'all before, I canceled all my other boxes. Like, this is the one for me. I like this one a whole lot. A lot. And I love makeup and stuff. Like, so I really used to love my little BoxyCharm, and I probably would have got Sephora's. But when I tell you, whew, I still have. I still have product over. I have products everywhere. I'm looking on my floor because I'm organizing right now. So I got a whole bunch of different little mini bins where I'm like organizing all the foundations, all the primers, all the setting sprays, that's how much of product overload I have. Where I have to organize. And 90% of that stuff is brand new. No lie. Product overload. That's why I had to stop. I was like, I can't get I don't need no more makeup products. So I like this brown sugar box to get away from all that makeup stuff and just, give me some culture stuff. Yes, I'm here for it. Well, thank you all so much for watching and rocking with me today. I truly appreciate it. Please be sure to thumbs up this video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you have not. Be sure to tell me your favorite product in this unboxing. I would love to know. My favorite product is that cooler. That cooler is a hit. Yeah, that's going to be a nice little hit. Alright, y'all. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, y'all.